Baby Jace is going to what?
Unbox the flamingo. One flamingo.
Yay!
We'll feed him too.
Yes, yes. So we will
We'll feed
i-unbox.
that flamingo Daphne.
Yes. So we're going to unboxing the Flamingo Friends today, and we will show you how it works, how to feed flamingo, how to play with them. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay. Right, baby?
Yes.
We will unbox the flamingos. This is brand new Flamingo Friends. Okay.
Come from Walmart.
Yeah, from Walmart. Ayan.
Somebody bought it. Somebody picked that at Walmart.
Yes.
They picked that up and take it to Las Vegas.
Yeah.
Come from Walmart.
Yeah. So, Sharon, this is the flamingo. Wow, this is the brand new Flamingo Friends, right, baby?
Yes. Oh, and it has a switch too.
Wow, it has a switch.
Yes.
Wow, different flamingo. Wow, different.
Unscrew that first.
Oh, unscrew. Wait. This one.
I'll grab a flamingo.
Wow. So this is brand new, friends. And so, one flamingo. And this is his patty. Ayan.
And that's his food.
That is potty train. Ayan yung kanyang toilet. Toilet bowl. Bowl. See,
With the
friends?
toilet seat.
Ayan, yung toilet seat. Toilet seat.
Oh, that was a
Wow.
different scoop.
So, this is the
Different scoop.
scoop. Yeah, ayan.
That's the next one.
Yes, this is
That's
the
the
scoop.
second one.
Scooper. Yeah.
That one's different.
Yeah. Wow. So, there is food. The food friend is there. Oh, there is instruction friend.
Yes. For the it has a flamingo on it. Says flamingo.
Yes, instruction booklet. So, here is the food of Flamingo friend.
We'll feed him that.
Yeah,
Orange food.
yeah. So, this is the food of Flamingo. This is the scooper. This is the toilet of Flamingo.
This is the scoop of flamingo.
Yeah, the scoop of Flamingo
That's
for
the
food.
instruction.
Very good. So, the first thing to do, friends, is turn on Flamingo.
No,
We have to
turn him off.
turn on first. Ayan. Turn on. Turn on. Ayan. See? How are you today? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Oh, you just copy me, friends.
He knows to copy now.
Yeah. Are you hungry? Huh? Okay. So, and then we will try to turn on the try me. Ayan, try me. Try me. Are you hungry? So, so friends, if you push the try me,
Yes, it's called a start button.
he will sing. And if you turn on, so are you hungry? So now we are going to feed flamingo friends, but we're not gonna use the new food, the brand food. So we will use this. This is the old food of flamingo from our old flamingo.
That's his spaghetti.
Yeah. Before you feed the flamingo, first you have one container. Yeah. So that you can save the food of flamingo when he poops Ayoko na magsalita. Ginagaya tayo, friends. Okay. Okay, we will feed him. How you feed flamingo? So this is how we feed flamingo, friends. Open the beak.
Don't use this.
Now, he's hungry. So, this is the scoop. And this is the food.
Just to put him
Yeah.
on the toilet.
Now he's hungry.
Okay, put him on the toilet. Put him on the toilet.
Wait, not yet. Yeah, very good. He's eating now. He's eating now. Mm.
Oh, don't let him.
Yeah. So now. Uh-oh. Uy. Oh. If he sing, he's ready to poop. We will put water first. He sing, friend. That means he wants to poop now. So I put water on his toilet. Okay. We will put him now. Here. Okay, poop. 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 He's pooping now.
The water makes him poop.
Yeah, that is poop, friend. Are you done pooping? Are you done? Are you done?
Please keep copying me. Oh, he has a lot.
Still poop? Still pooping?
He has a lot of poop. Huh?
Are you done?
He has a lot of poop.
You have a lot of poop. More pooping. More poop.
Yes, he has a lot of poop. Oh no, the poop touch his toilet. Touch his toilet.
Mm-hmm.
That means
Done? Are you done? Okay, I think he's done.
no, he's still pooping.
Oh, he's still pooping.
That's why he has a lot of poop.
Are you done? Done? So I think he's done. Ayan, he's done pooping. So we have to save the food because the food of flamingo is a reusable food. So I will show you how to save the food. Ayan. We have to use this scoop to save the food. So that is the poop of flamingo. Ayan. We have to save the food. We have to take the water out. Ayan. So that's how you save the food of flamingo. So we will wait for this to get dry. And we will put in the container. Right? So now the food is dry already. We will save the food in the container, friends. So para hindi masayang yung food niya kasi the food is reusable, friends. Do not throw the food of flamingo. You have to save the food of flamingo. Okay?
Side flamingo.
So I already saved the food, friends. So that is for today's video, friend. I hope you like our video today of unboxing the flamingo. So say bye-bye now, baby. Bye!
Bye!
Bye! Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
So flamingo is full now, friend. He is full now, right, baby?
Yes.
Yes, he's full now.
And we want to keep this.
Yeah, this one is for
Florida.
Sherbet.